Chad, good morning, baby. Unfortunately, no motivation clip this morning. Just had to sort out some stuff here. And Keys, good morning, my brother.
Morning, brother.
You guys actually mentioned today feels like a Friday. It does.
Yeah, it really does.
I think it's due to the fact that we did a podcast last night and we've got a podcast tomorrow. So guys, me and Keegan actually talking about getting that extra gear. So
Yeah,
sorry,
we only running in third gear now.
we haven't even started. But anyways, Chad, let's quickly look at what we've got going on this morning. Just some data out of Australia, some data out of Japan, and then Euro data coming up, and then quite a bit of PMIs coming out today. So busy day. I expect a big volume day, and yeah, so more passion, more energy. Yes. Why is today a big volume day? You're gonna find out very shortly. But again, before we start, chat, as always, let's just get the creator involved here, and we're just gonna do our standard morning prayer here quickly. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory. Amen. Can we just pray for the webcam on Keegan that's cutting off his fake gigs?
Yeah,
Just bring that camera up a little. I don't even see it. Just bring it up. It was a young Jeff sitting there yesterday. Hey, Chad, look at that guy. Am I imagining this, or is that man's hairline getting stronger day by day?
The pressure's on.
Keeks. Chad, let's have a look at it again. I had a haircut yesterday. Sheesh. Look at that fade. That's quite a spicy little fade. Not my usual barber that was there, but I'm going to go with it. I'm going to rock it. Let's just see if I can get some more light on me. I obviously want to walk in the light. How's that, Chad? How's the audio? Audio good? Hairline stop loss, bro. Our hairline stop losses have been hit months ago. Months ago. But anyways, Chad, Thursday, I'm ready for it. I'm looking forward to it. We actually got Keegan's screen share to work again. I don't know why it took Mo so long, but look at this, Chad. Look at that HT chart there. Keeks, just zoom in a little bit for them, just so they can see. Chad, what is that? Look at that quality. Pristine, precise, beautiful. All right, Chad, we're gonna get going. What did you guys think of the podcast last night? Roseanne, awesome guest, awesome person. Really hope you guys enjoyed that. We're actually going to do a follow-up with a little bit more trading specific, but we're going to do quite a bit of preparation into that. But Dave, Amina, Slasher Cakes, Jex, good morning, Mark Pillay, Steve Jacobs. I think Steve changed his profile pic. No more golf on there. Steve, is that you, my brother? Just let me know, because I was so used to the golf pic. Etienne, good morning. Jakes, Ashland V, Benjamin Robertson, good morning, my brother. AI, good morning. I get money. Yes, why is today a big volume day? Because it was relatively muted for most of the week. Getting to the tail end of the week, and we've got a lot of fundamental data. Anna D, next giveaway, Anna D, if you get one, need to send us a 5-finger pick. We've got the 3, we've got the 4. Going for the Grand Slam, we need that 5. Tash Sulai, yeah, as mentioned, Airlines, Chalk, Twin Traders, Chris, Hayes, Crisp. It's spicy, my dude, this fade, these handlebars. Looking good. Karen, ooh, good morning, my brother.
Oh boy.
Keegan getting too big for the cam. Yeah, Keegan is already too big for the cam. Keegan's just a big personality. And Vince, what's up, my brother? Sam N, Tiamo. Who else did I miss? King Shaq. Anyone seeing Vedas? No, how was the earnings? We'll actually have a check now. Enjoyed the podcast. Beautiful. Stephen Buerta. Reese Dyer. Let's kill the market today. Amen. Yeah, we will. Friend. Haven't seen you in a while. And my brother, hope you're well. All right. It's me retired. The club's off the kicks. IG drop. All right. No, I'm actually going for a golf day tomorrow, but nonetheless, Chad, let's...
Hold on, you know, I was just thinking about that now that Garen's in the chat. Did you know he taught or coached Clint and Darren Dix how to play golf?
You can't teach those guys. They are just cuck. Sorry, man. We just prayed, but they just cuck, my bro. Yeah, I can't. I think it was a struggle. So really pray for Garen. Just trying to coach the guys. All right, Chad. DXY, as mentioned yesterday, this 103.63 level, and now all of a sudden, this gap fill becomes a thing. Yesterday's daily candle closure. Let me just show you guys. Yeah, daily candle closure below there. So we've got all this range. Firstly to this key level. And then after that, we've got these two intermediate key levels down here. So I'm actually leaning bearish today unless the data really, really surprises a little bit later. And it needs to surprise against the Eurozone. So whatever the European PMIs do, the dollar needs to be one up on them. So looking weak, the dollar, I'm definitely going bearish into the day. And the 5 minute, let's quickly look at it. Already way extended. Open up with a gap this morning. Close the gap. And now we're trading lower. There's that 200 daily EMA. Let me just bring up that 200. Yeah, right there. So big level. I am going to say, though, if we can get back above this 200 EMA, we can go for potential retest of Asia lows or even Asia highs. So very tricky day. With the dollar already being so extended. Gigs, any headlines overnight for this dollar weakness?
Nothing that I saw, hey. But
FOMC minutes.
Hey, I can actually have my thing open now.
Yeah. Open up. I just want to see some headlines. I'm going to give Keegan a sec there, chat. Let me just check some of the headlines. FOMC
Okay,
minutes.
So yeah, to where my brother was low key. Let me know if you traded FOMC last night because it did absolutely nothing. Like we said it would. I think you moved what? 20, not even 20 pips. 10 pips, 15 pips. So great one on that job, bro. I hope you finally realized it was not FOMC last night.
Alright, so Fed minutes suggest rates right. We've known that they've already pivoted. We're just waiting for a cut. Just want to see Fed futures, Chad. Sorry, man, we still have some time. We're gonna blitz it. So give me a second here. I just wanna check what the Fed futures are doing. Let's just check what the Fed futures are doing. Okay, March no cut. May no cut. June. Okay, June is now starting to look like markets are pricing in the first cut in June. July. Okay, this is still in the balance, but currently it seems like the market's expecting a cut in June, July. Let's check September. Okay, so still September. Currently expecting rates to be held steady. November. Alright, okay, so expecting June, July, November, the third rate cut, and then December, another one in December. Okay, this is still relatively balanced. Alright, so markets are leaning towards a June cut at this stage. Not yet confirmed. Nothing is confirmed up until the meeting, but just in terms of what the Fed futures are telling me. Keegs, are you ready for dollar, my brother?
I'm ready,
Alright,
I've literally been waiting for this thing. I said to the guys yesterday, I'm so excited just for the fact we've got unemployment claims coming out today. Like, we've finally got something that can give dollar a bit of volume today. And again, straight off the bat, guys, again, you've got that news coming out. You know there's going to be volume coming in on the day. When you look here on the daily, again, as much as we traded down, you closing bearish, but you're still holding these zones. As I said to you guys, cool, we finally had a little bit of a closure underneath this zone here. But again, not touching this. I said if I want to go bearish, I need to see closures underneath this key level really start showing us to start breaking and even holding at 200. Until then, I'll even say I'm neutral then, but I won't say I'm bearish on dollar. When we go to the 4 hour, now this is the big thing that makes the difference, guys. You gapped to the downside. Okay, yes, we filled that gap, but you've gapped straight down. And the problem is a lot of time we see that is also the reversals. We're already now at the weekly supply. I know it is Thursday, so you do have that big move. Basically, you're not going to just reverse this whole thing. But the big thing for me is when we start looking at the note here, we need to go test that key level. We broke away, haven't had a retest of it yet. And knowing that we've got volume coming in, again, we always talk about you're already at the S2 with that weekly supply. So you are, if you want to say, very extended on the range of the day. Again, not saying that the market is extended, but the range for the daily pair is quite extended. So when you want to start trading back, again, only having literally this one-way momentum, you'll also take notes. We've basically been trading down to our EMA, our EQ, and our daily pivots, where now Asia highs untested, and you guys will see we're actually going to trade up to the daily pivot and the EQ. So I definitely think with that new volume coming out, the way we've seen the labor markets thriving, with the way we've seen everything happening, very, very good shot. It's going to come out lower again for dollar strength. And if it comes out, if another low, a decently low number, dollar can definitely have that strength to trade up the whole day today. I'm not saying reverse this whole weekly move, but dollar can definitely just start at least get its feet in back for the rest of the week.
All right, guys, what do you think of that HD quality screen share there? Beautiful. US 30, quickly, Chad, we've got 13 minutes. Let's just run through it. Yesterday I was bearish. We had a nice push to the downside, closed back above the weekly pivot. As mentioned, this is our weekly range. We're going to be stuck in this range for a while. Seems like we're going back for that 38.791. So looking bullish on the day purely due to the fact that we took out a previous daily high. As mentioned so many times before, takes a lot of volume to take out a previous daily high or low. So on the 5 minutes, you can see that there's a lot of bullish momentum coming into the market. AD is now starting to flip back to the upside. So big thing is, how deep do we pull back? Do I want to buy it here? No. Do I want to buy it here? Maybe. Do I want to buy it here? Absolutely. Weekly pivot, daily pivot, wait for potential pullback. But again, ideally Asia lows would be your first area to look for potential buys. And then obviously the big one, the jackpot is down here at the weekly pivot, daily pivot. So keep that in mind. Nasdaq daily time frame. Let's quickly look at the daily. Beautiful, beautiful hold of this key level. And now if we hold above 17,600, we're going back to 18K up here, up there, not up here. Anyways, yesterday was bearish, pushed bearish, closed bullish. Obviously, Nvidia holding up the entire global economy at this stage, but daily bullish for me. Again, breaking yesterday's high, breaking literally the weekly highs. So weekly pivot, very, very easy going to the session. Monitor this weekly pivot, monitor the Asia lows. A lot of open air down here, so quite a few levels to monitor, but I'm going to say ideally somewhere here you want to start looking for some long opportunities. So gold, quickly going to blitz through everything here and then let Keegan finesse you guys. Gold, as mentioned yesterday, I was neutral on the day and still bullish. We cannot be bearish as of yet. I said 2018, 2037. We're now closer to 2037 than we to 2018. So I'm expecting price to go and reach for that 2037. Cannot be bearish as of yet. We haven't even had a bearish daily candle close here. So on the daily, on the 5 minute, already trading above Asia highs. We've got Asia lows down here, that 25. Ideally, if it can pull back to here, very nice buying opportunity. Otherwise, monitor Asia highs. Already quite extended here into the session. I think this is the weekly high. Yeah, weekly highs up there. So I don't want to touch it long up here, but if we get some pullbacks, potential long plays there on the cards. Daily time frame for GBP USD. As mentioned yesterday, I was bullish. Why was I bullish? We closed bullish. I was bullish for that wick fill. We filled that wick, and now we've closed above this key level again. So where is our next range? This monthly pivot, and this right here is a key level, chat. Very easy to spot right there. And now very likely 126.86 on deck. I'm not going to try and short into a daily candle like this, but we are on the weekly highs, daily highs, session highs. This thing is so extended, we're going to need to wait for some type of pullback. How deep we pull back, I don't know, but at this stage can't really do anything up here unless you are a machine gunner, gambler, somebody that's got an issue with not sitting on their hands. Euro USD yesterday was bullish, today bullish again. This is now our range for the rest of the week. This will be your range. So unless we start trading below here, we are definitely going back up. There's that 200, we regained it. So 108846, that's most probably on deck for the rest of the week. 5-minute time frame. Again, weekly highs, session highs. What do I want to do here? Do I want to get in there? No. Do I want to sell it? No. So can't do anything here, chat. We're going to need to wait and see what the markets give us. Daily time frame, yen, I am bullish. Yesterday I was bullish. I'm actually going to show you a trade we took just before the podcast. I'm bullish due to the fact that this for me is a reversal pattern. There's a minor resistance structure, closed bullish above it. But now again, there's that key level already rejecting off that. So very, very interesting. Are we going for one more low? Are we going to go and break these lows? I don't know. Gotta need to see what we're working with on the lower time frame. Okay, 80 now firmly starting to trade below. 80 is starting to point down. So things are looking a little bit short-sighted here. And there's that key level up there. Daily pivot up there. Asia lows have been tested somewhat, but we've got the round number here at the weekly pivot. So I'm going to say potentially looking for some shorts if we can reject either one of these two levels. Otherwise, if the 80 starts flipping bullish again, I will start looking long, but currently it's looking more short than long. GJ, real quick, daily beautifully bullish. I was bullish yesterday. I was bullish on the week. Couldn't get an entry though. Now we are basically at the yearly high. So this is not even just a weekly high, session high. This is a yearly high. Going to be very, very interesting, chat. Give me 1 second. I just want to see where. Okay, there's our next key level, 191. So there's still some range here. 5 minute. Let's quickly jump to the 5. Just want to see where are we trading at. Alright, this thing is moving at a rate of knots. Okay, 190 down here. Okay, weekly R1 Asia highs. Chad, gotta wait for some more price action. Things have already moved here. Yesterday bullish as well. Go watch yesterday's analysis. Couldn't get an entry. Bullish again today. We've got some key levels to target up here. Very, very interesting. Yeah. Let me just check here. Kiggs, I'm almost done, my brother.
No stress, brother.
Things are looking relatively chalked here. Okay, this one we can maybe work with. We've got the 163 up here, round number. Asia highs. Okay, let's see what we do there. Chad, that's me. Just last one. EG. Okay, chalked range. Just show you this range there. 5 minute. What is the euro doing? Okay, euro is looking like it is struggling against the pound. So pound looking like the stronger one this morning. Chad, that's me. I'm gonna start setting some alerts and over to my man Keegs here.
Alright guys, we're gonna go straight over to indices first. Again, I am still bearish on them. Again, that pullback, but again, at the end of the day, if dollars being just melting off, I mean, it only makes sense that you are having this. One thing I've just noticed now, where is my... Oh, okay, now hold on. Basically having that massive pullback. So again, only being makes sense that if dollars melting off, they're going to start going up. That's just your little simple correlation that we all understand. So again, you can be having this pullback, but again, at this time, you can see we've now have the support. We are trading above it, but just like we've seen dollar trade down the whole day and then have a massive rejection to the top side, you can still see that over here. So I'm not going to start personally looking or going bullish until we've taken out these highs over there. This is something I need us to break first. So end of the day, if we're going to do this, I'd only be maybe leaning more to the bullish side if we can get a closure over here to hold and retest to go longer. Until then, I'll even say I'm staying neutral on it, because end of the day, we can literally still test this with, even though we came up to it yesterday, we closed underneath it. So again, going over to the lower time frames, if we start dropping, you can see again massive breakaway, no retest to confirm this as a support yet. So it definitely still has a possibility of coming down. When you go over to the 15, you're going to see the same things we were talking about with dollar. Just been trading in one way the whole day. So with knowing there's news coming out, very, very easy to see us pull back for that zone for the retest and Asia lows which are there. And then it's a case of does it break or does it hold and continue back up. So we just have to take note of that. And keeping in mind, guys, literally the weekly pivot is in the middle of the zone right now. So there's going to be a lot of volume that comes in today with that breakaway. Keeping in mind, again, indices love to go down for that retest on the EQ. And as I said, if you look where that EQ is, that means you're going to break and you've got a far way down to go for that EQ. So very, very likely when we talk about probabilities, if you're breaking this far down, a lot easier to just continue downwards for the S1, S2, so forth when news comes out. Then basically testing, holding, and going back up. Because at the end of the day, if this comes out poorer today, your dollar will get the strength it needs, and that will literally probably follow through till tomorrow. So we literally can see this be a bit of a pullback to eventually aim for these lows over here. So again, very, very neutral position, but I think the big one today, the PRI, is literally that support and Asia lows on NAS. Going over to US 30, we're just going to take a look at same top-down analysis. On the daily, though, we've literally tested these zones. So as you guys can see, we had zone 1 and zone 2. We keep breaking them and trading down, but literally rejecting. We just cannot get above them. And I mean, that's the thing. When you look here, massive, massive wicks on both of those candles. Literally just can't get into the zone with a closure. So even though we're trading up again today, first thing we want to take note of, no bottom wick. So again, that's already one tick for us that we'd like to see that bottom wick being formed. Again, when you go to the 4 hour, even though we've broken back above, no retest to confirm support. Because that's the thing, guys, why I always talk about these tests are so important is if you can see you broke, but couldn't hold it, broke the second support, couldn't hold that, back above. Retest, couldn't hold it, back down. Holding here, back above. Now we need to see, even though it's gone up to here, if it comes back down to form that bottom wick, does it hold the support or is it literally just going to give again? Then that wasn't a breakaway. With it to break, we want that retest to give us that confirmation. So now we start dropping down to our 15. Same thing again, guys. Literally daily pivot and the EQ in the middle of those two zones. So again, very, very easy trade there. You've literally had, since Asia range open, we literally haven't gone down to that again at all. So we're already now at the R1. If we start holding this R1 and get back to the Asia highs, very, very good chance if we hold Asia highs, we sweep Asia highs, that when we will continue down to go get those Asia lows and then that EQ and daily pivots. Again, and then it's just about closure, at least on the 30-minute candles, where we can see what happens over there, moving around to news. Going over to gold. Gold, again, being the interesting one. Very, very neutral on the day. You've now had, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, going to be 7 bullish days. Eventually, you need to see some type of reaction. When you start going over to this, guys, you can see, we literally have a range over here now. We are literally stuck here again. Gold just giving us one of those where we just can't get out of it. So for myself, it's very simple. If this thing starts rejecting over there now, I've always told you guys, very, very simple. If this truly does become a range bound, if we're stuck here, we're just going right back down. And then it's a case of to see what do we do there. So very simple now. This thing needs to either break and just continue, or it's going to reverse and we're just going to go right back down. So going over to the 30 minute, you guys can see there, we basically building this little momentum here, breakaway, and then trade it all the way back up. So the problem we have here is, let's just get rid of that now. On the 15, what I don't like is, again, yes, we've basically traded down, have Asia lows, breaking that structure. We've now got our daily pivot and our EQ, which we tested and held and got away from the zone. But again, it just simply comes down to this one-way momentum, and again, already being at the R1, knowing we're in this range. So it's kind of a very active thing. If this thing can break and hold this previous weekly high, very good chance we can go up and basically hold the R1 and trade R1 to R2. Very, very easy trade for us. Obviously, if we can get through the weekly key level and weekly resistance, because we know in the past how much as 2035 has been a very, very strong area on gold lately. But if we do start rejecting, if we start rejecting and show any confirmation on holding this zone, this 2031, then very easily we're trading right back down for those weak Asia lows. So again, I think that's why today we're saying it's going to be a volume full day, and also depending on that, the fact dollar this whole week has had nothing, it's now going to have a reason to have volume behind it. So going up to the yen pairs, UJ again having a little bit of a pullback, but straight off the bat there you can see there, if we just do the 4 hour, basically consolidating, breakdown to the downside, and literally a perfect retrace to the EQ and holding. So myself already, if we can get back up and holding the daily pivot, I'll look to go long to get in the Asia range and go back up for those Asia highs. Again, the fact I am neutral but leaning more to a bullish dollar at the moment. If we go over to EJ already running, same thing that happened yesterday, guys. Honestly, I won't take this. The moves happened. We saw what happened yesterday with EJ and GJ. If this thing has to come down, you've missed that move. There was your move originally from the Asia lows, bang, right up. If this thing now starts coming back down, most probably it's coming to retrace that move. And again, we can see the daily pivot EQ down. So if you want to look for the sells, be my guest, but that's not in my trading plan for the pair, so I will just scrap it. Going over to GJ, same thing. Basically, we're at the weekly resistance. There was your move, holding Asia lows. You had first test, retest, held, and you could have gone on that break, and there's your move. So again, personally, I scrap it. It's almost a copy and paste of EJ. If this thing breaks back into Asia range, most likely going all the way down for Asia lows to get those equal lows, and then aim for the daily pivot and EQ. So again, just not that it won't be a good trade if you want the sells. It's just not my trading plan on the pair, so I won't be taking it. Going over to EU. Yes, I don't know what we must actually. Oh, isn't there data today actually?
Yeah, there's a lot of PMIs.
Yeah. I was gonna say, because all these Euro pairs are running. Yeah, guys. Honestly, I'm not gonna take anything there. That is a very extended market already. By 10 o'clock. So I'm not trading that. Very, very bullish. But I am again more of a neutral position. If dollar gets a strength, this thing can actually flip right on its head. But again, this is our key area over here. So if we can start holding this in the future, maybe tomorrow or even later today, if we get a 4-hour closure, you can look for that continuation to the top side. But for now, it's nothing I'd really want to look at. I'll set an alert there just so we can be aware of it. But again, nothing for me there. And yeah, GU, I'm not going to touch with a 6-foot pole. That thing is running. That thing is gone. Yeah, you're not going to get anything there. As I say, the move has happened. You've missed the move. That's always one of my first rules. If you try and jump in now, it's purely a thing of FOMO. That was the move of the day and you've missed it. So yeah, I won't be taking anything on the majors today. And that's it from our side.
Chad, markets are open and in motion. Ding, 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 ding. Round 1, fight. Keith, can we drop that camera a little bit? I just want to get a good angle of you. Quickly look into the camera and smile for me. Hey. Chad, Chad, I saw somebody in the chat. Terry Chinyoka. Welcome, Terry. Haven't seen you in a while. Terry Chinyoka, the brother of young Wes Chinoka. Chad, but I hope you guys are ready. Chris, have I been funded? Yes. FNB funded me through the extended overdraft plan. So I got in the break on GJ. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Garen. This thing is an absolute monster at this stage. Yesterday, yesterday a little bit chop. We were bullish on the day, chopped here below. Myself and Mo actually took a trade here yesterday on, here it was, let me just show you. A little bit quick on the trigger because this was literally the candle where the shuffle ended. This one, yeah. So we entered roundabout here, and I killed the trade for 4 pips. Yeah. And then we had to start setting up the podcast, and I told Mo while we were busy, I told him if he wants to get in, there's the same setup we took here. It's literally the same setup. So they broke above, and I told Mo if he wants to, he can enter there again. It's like, nah, let's set up the podcast. But there was your re-entry, 20 pips, beautiful, one and done. But anyways, the moves have, the markets have been slow. It has been choppy. Just look at this grind. But yeah, it seems like shit's moving here today. Moving day, DXY on the low.
Yeah, Benjamin, it was Raja and low-key. But as always, the boys, they're very quiet today when they once again were proven wrong.
Oh yeah, Naz, I actually replied to my brother.
Yeah, I actually saw it now also this morning.
Naz P. Naz P, we need to jump on a call, my brother. I didn't know you could code.
Yeah, so also, Slashy, I'm so glad you guys caught it. Honestly, bro, I was driving at the time. We first were helping set up for the podcast, and then I was driving, so I missed it. But literally, I told you guys, just be patient. It's going to come. And yeah, that massive sell-off yesterday on gold. So I'm glad at least some guys listened and took advantage of that.
Hey, there gold goes. Holy smokeroni.
Oh, by the way, interesting for you.
Yeah.
Connor was the Connor I was talking about last time.
Is it? How do you know?
He started his shit there yesterday. On
Really?
the New York stream, yeah.
What did he say?
He started like telling Jev to like chill and is it safe to be on stream? And then he's like, no, I'm trying to give you a rough skin or whatever. And then next minute he just starts going at Boss Bobby. And I'm like, hey bro, like chill out here. And then after that we're like, listen, just get out of there now.
How did you guys nuke him?
Yeah.
Did he get nuked? How long?
You got nuked.
How long did you guys nuke him for?
I don't know. I think it was Vince or was Jex that nuked him. One of the guys got rid of him, and I was like, well done, thank you.
Hey Chad, that's the weird thing. We're here for a good time and a long time. I don't know why the guys get so serious on stream. Oh yeah, Dax German 30. Again, we actually did an analysis for somebody on stream. I think it was Monday, and I said just watch this breakout level. I still had it marked out. But this is price discovery, Chad. There's nothing in its way. This thing can go for weeks. It could go for months. Please, just one thing: don't try and short this. I've been saying it so many times. Rather wait for continuation trades. But yeah, you can't get in here. You just need to wait for some type of pullback. I actually want to check Nvidia quickly. Now that we mentioned the earnings, 32 billion. Holy smokes. Nvidia. Let me just find my Nvidia here. Alrighty. Okay, that seems to be okay. Let's pinpoint it. Beautiful. Shush, Nvidia. Look at that. Alright, still on that pullback. I think I told you, Chad, somebody phoning me last week saying they wanted to buy here, and I said, no way you want to buy there. Already down 7%. These are some of the longer term positions I'm in on EOG, XOM. This is for a long-term portfolio. QQQ, QQM, PM still in drawdown there. CVX starting to come alive here. SPYD, it's just some analysis I did there, bought some there. Then Schwab ETF. This opportunity I actually saw with the positioning of QQM and QQ. The majority of the weighting on this was the same as QQQ. And then I looked at, let me just show you how you can utilize divergences. So if you go to QQ,
I'm sorry, what the hell is QQQ?
it's like an ETF.
Okay.
It's and when I overlaid them, here was my thing. At this stage, when Schwab was trading down here, QQQ already took out the high, and my play was that as a minimum, Schwab is going to go for, I think it's a 15% gain, 12%. So as a minimum, the Schwab needs to catch up to QQQ. So there, when you overlay it, you can see that this one is lagging. It follows it perfectly, but there was a definite breakdown in the correlation there. So
Yeah.
that's how I spotted that play. TXN still a little bit in drawdown there. Home Depot doing well. Actually did a video I think last year or the year before that. Consumer staples always does well during a turnaround. Cat running nicely. Abivai, absolute beast. Coca-Cola now starting to move as well. And again, chat, this is just using pivots on the weekly time frame for your investment portfolio. So this is literally a yearly pivot, and all you want to do is you want to try and get in as close as possible to that yearly pivot. So Coke, obviously more of a blue chip, up about 5% there. BlackRock caught that of the 200. JPM caught that off. This was last year's pivot. Caught it after that break to the upside. DIA as well. UNP, I think. Yeah, UNP is also running well. Caught that off the 200 EMA. Just also using my AD, seeing that there's a lot of buy volume in Johnson & Johnson. This was more a 200 EMA play. So if you go back, you'll see all of these tests on the 200 EMA. So the 200 EMA has been relatively solid for Johnson & Johnson. I just marked out this box because it needs to get away from here. Goldman Sachs, also last year's pivot, that breakout there. This is this year's pivot. And this was just somebody sent me this. Can't mention names, but there's a big boy buying into this shit here. Gladstone Land Corporation. I actually removed that. But yeah, anyways, chat. So exactly the same method we use to day trade. You can literally build your own stock portfolio using literally what we use here, just on a higher time frame. What is this? Let me just. No magic, no needing to ask a financial advisor. And again, this is not financial advice. This is just for vibes and entertainment. Even though I'm also a registered financial advisor, I still cannot give you advice. Alright, chat. Things are just moving here. Slashy, it's like these guys like Connor's looking for trouble. Yeah, we're not even gonna bother with them. W stocks trading, Chris. I want to get into long term as well at the moment, starting with US stocks, QQQ and SPX, as well as crypto. King Shack, if I'm very honest, if you're not comfortable yet picking your own stocks, the QQQ, QQM, and the DIA. It's three beautiful ETFs you can invest in, and it basically tracks the majority of the stock market in the US. You're getting the best of everything. you should talk about these sometimes. I will. I want to. It's just like I've done it before. Didn't really get traction with it. So we'll see. Morning peeps. Hopefully you're good. Chris, looking all military. Hey, brother. Hey, man. I must actually still enjoy the haircuts while we've got hair. But Chad, we are actually going to shoot a video. We are actually going to shoot a video. We've got we're going to run a campaign, Project Turkey, and I really want you guys to lean into that. And I mentioned if we cannot raise enough funds, I'll send Keegan first, and I will follow. But yeah. We want to get to Turkey. We just want to strengthen up these airlines. So check out for that Project Turkey. We're going to have a GoFundMe. Chris's weekly pivot, your yearly pivot. Yes, Vince, so how it works, Chad. Very simple. So if you are on the daily, whatever pivot you see on the daily is going to be one up on that. So your daily pivot is actually your monthly pivot. Your weekly pivot is your yearly pivot. Let me just do this. Your 4-hour pivot is your weekly pivot, and then obviously after that your monthly. I haven't even gone that far, but you don't need to go further than that. How long you been trading stocks, Chris? Okay, let me rather put it this way. I started trading stocks, not actively. I had a little stock portfolio. Saw guys getting into the stock market, and this was 2000, and was it 2012? Started dabbling a little bit on that share builder on FNB. I'll never forget the 3 stocks I bought. It was RNB, that Rainbow Nation chicken, whatever, Johan Rupert bought it, or like made a conglomerate. Atticu, the old Atterberg Limited property company, and Kumba Iron Ore. Those were the 3 stocks, and yeah, didn't go well. Just experienced immediate pain. It was just pain immediately. Hey, good morning. My hare nou gelyk of het gesny was gister al.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't see the difference.
I'm not gonna lie, and I'm blown away from your positions. What positions? Keeks 2G Bull is from currencies to coin flip. Now we at stocks. Let's call helpline. Vince, here's the thing. Methodology stays the same. You just apply it to a higher time frame. Price is price. If I showed you this and you didn't know what chart this is, I didn't put a symbol to this. You wouldn't know whether it's GJ. You wouldn't know if this is a 5-minute chart. Is this a 1-minute chart? That's why you can literally apply it to anything. A market is a market.
That's true.
Somebody asked about Tesla. I actually missed the Tesla trade last year at 100. Just want to show you guys this quickly. Yeah. Just want to show this to you guys. I had a pending order here. 100. Yeah, 100. Me and my one friend, we were talking about it, and I said, it's actually a she, and I told her, I said, listen here, let's throw a pending order there. I think this is quite a good level, because if you pull a fib from the lows to the highs, just want to show you guys something here. That was on the extreme OTE level on the 79, and it literally just missed us. But my criteria for going through stocks is, so this red list, all of these stocks provide a dividend, and I firstly go here while we wait for price to pull back. I hope you guys enjoy this one. I go top 100 stocks. This is literally my little investment criteria. I go here, I put all of these stocks into a spreadsheet, top 100. So I know why am I choosing the top 100, because I know there's volume in them. I don't want to buy something that's low float. So I start off here, and then I basically go with the PE, the price earnings ratio. I calculate my average. Then I go to my dividend yield. Let me just come across here. Where's the dividends? Then I go to my forward dividend yield and the dividend yield, and then I basically create like an average there as well. And then I start taking away. If something's below the average, I kick it out. So up until you build a list where your PE is not overextended. So your PE is purely the price of the stock divided by the earnings. So very high PE ratio means that the price of the stock is very high relative to what the company is earning. So the higher the PE, the more expensive a stock is considered. So something with a low PE shows that there's some potential for growth in the price. So the company is earning relatively well to its price. For instance, this Salesforce, 107 PE, absolutely nuts. That is ridiculous. This is something that's looking alright. Cisco, 87, Uber, way extended. Like you don't want to even touch that with a 10-foot pole. And then I just build my list from there, and then I go over to the technical side and I start looking at where's the pivots, where's the breakout levels, all of that. But yeah, we'll maybe do a little bit of a master class on that for you guys. We'll package it and maybe we can sell that, and we can get ourselves to Turkey. Keegs, are you gonna bring your hairline like down quite a bit, or do you just want to fill in like the side skirts, those vents?
Yeah, just the
vents.
Yeah.
So not like bring it in a lot.
I'm not even worried about that. Yeah, okay. It's more just filling in the gaps.
Hey Dave, I'm putting a chart on my wife this weekend. Backtest. Hey Chad, PG 13.
That is a first.
Dave, I never took you for that one, man. I never thought Dave is a naughty guy. Check GJ, just bro. There's nothing we can do. Blast it. How do I enter on this? The shuffle wasn't even done yet. We said we were bullish on the week. Chris and Keeks, what's one trading loss or blown account you won't forget about?
Yo.
Mine was that, I think it was an $85,000 account, personal funds, gold, China, Trump, tariff war. All I can say. Still makes me nauseous till this day.
Yo. You know, actually, I know literally one. We spoke about the one day in the office, and it was honestly only reason was it was the kind of the first time using this prop firm, and this is like literally starting when I was getting my mojo back, and I still get you, and I'm talking to Chris like, listen, Chris and Jeff, I'm like, I'm swinging this trade. This trade's running $18,000 in profit, 18,000 in profit, and I'm like we are killing this thing. Stop loss is already at like in profit, so even if it comes back, cool. But dumbass me doesn't click. The account was running on balance and equity, so it pulled back to only like $12,000. I mean, you're still up $12,000, and it blew the account because of daily drawdown on equity. And I was like, oh my shit. Like, bro, I needed like a day to just sit there in my own head and just be like, what just happened?
Garen, but I think how's Garen's airline? I think he's also struggling. He wants to go for fade. Garen, maybe keep some of that. Wait, I haven't seen...
Garen's going to come to Turkey with us.
Bro, wait. Let me go and check out Garen's... I haven't seen Garen's airline as of late.
I can't even think now.
Chad, wait. Let me go and check Garen's airline.
We're going to do a boys trip, a traders trip to Turkey.
Wait, let me see. But Garen is very strategic though. I see a lot of photos with caps. That man's hiding something, my bro. That man's hiding something for sure, yeah. I'm just seeing photos with caps.
Oh.
No, Garen's airline is looking off. Garen's also got a little bit of an aero duct here on the side, eh? You can see definitely there's... That airline has definitely got some signs of deterioration there. But wait, when was this? Oh, no. Bro, this was 2 years ago, and already that airline started showing some fatigue there. Garen, we need to see a fresh photo of today. We need a airline check. And here's the thing, guys. We love all airlines, and
we don't judge.
We don't. Okay, this was 16 March 2023. After that, we haven't seen. Chad, we're gonna ask Garen just to send us a little airline update. We will keep you guys updated as to how the airline is going. But we need to get to Turkey, Chad. That's the first.
This is gonna be a trader's trip to Turkey.
We want to get Garen. We actually planning a trip to Cape Town, so we're gonna meet up with Garen there. We just need to sort out the logistics. We just first want to get this Joburg trip out of the way. And we were actually talking about, I think, Keeks, did we say a 3-day? Like, leave the Wednesday, come back the Saturday.
Yeah, purely because there's quite a bit we need to do in Cape Town.
So we'll most probably, unless Garen wants to come down here and we can actually do an in-person airline check.
Yeah, G, I think it's time, bro. You do a little road trip.
Yeah, come on, G.
I know you love driving, so it's a little hop in there, come do a little road trip to PE.
I will admit it's stunning. Hey, Garen. The trend is bearish on the airline. There's a bearish trend on all of our airlines. King Shaq, sorry, what broker do you use? You can use IBKR. I don't think Easy Equities has got these ones. So IBKR is going to be the best for that. 100K, I don't know if you're saying 100K USD or whether you're saying 100K rands, but you can start with any amount.
Bro, I actually rate that's a plan.
What's that?
No, it's because we go into the hill climb in Nasna. Remember, that's a trip I'm doing in May.
Do you want to do one there at the hill climb? That would be sick.
We could even do that, but remember, I just said that's the days when I'm taking off to go through for that. And then bro, do that. You're already halfway, yeah. And then after hill climb, just come through this way, spend maybe even like a 2-3 days here, and then you guys just head back after that.
Terry Chanoka, of course you can meet me, brother. I would love to meet all of you.
I think Chris, we were talking about it. We were actually saying when we do these traveling ones, if we do a podcast, we can almost do it like a live in-person podcast.
Yeah, we can actually. You guys can come and sit in the podcast.
You can meet us. You can meet the other traders.
You can sit in the podcast live. Bearish airline trend, hella strong. Bro, this airline. And I gotta admit, like, I think it was last week or the week before that. Actually, was looking here on the side. There was some little grey hairs starting to like trickle out.
Yes, bro. You seen DXY?
Yeah, no,
This thing is taking shots.
Chat. Oh, okay. Oi,
That's what I'm
oi,
saying, checking this
oi. Okay, let's check the data, chat. Okay, very strong PMIs coming out of France. So obviously the guys are eating some. What do they call those? That French bread?
Croissants.
No, not croissants. Anyways, those French loaves. Okay, manufacturing PMI coming out. Chris, draw a fib on your forehead to see where it will, bro. I think we're like literally at the 70. We're at the 70% now. Already past the 618. A baguette. Seb, thank you so much. Sebaleb. Okay, so Germany, the Germans, composite PMI coming out a little bit softer. Actually, quite a bit softer than expected. So I think that's going to weigh a little bit on the euro. Let's check what the euro is doing. Oi, all right, Chad. That's why I said big volume day. Big volume day. Day is not even done. We're literally 30 minutes into the session. So
yeah, guys. Also, just one thing I want you to take note of. I always talk to you guys about this. Is if you look at dollar and like the moves that things made, how it's retracing, but go over and then you look at gold. Gold hasn't moved at all. And a lot of this time, that's because we talk about markets already pricing things in. So even though they're in correlation, it's not moving because this move was already basically called in the markets. So a lot of the time, like the fact you've had this push here, and I mean, you've done a little bit, but DXY melting the whole day. Gold still climbs, rejects, climbing, rejecting. It's clearing zones. Like this thing should have volume pumping into it. So I always say to you guys, when you're not seeing that volume being pumped like it should, there's something up there. There's a little something fishy there.
A little something.
Yeah.
NASP, bro. I actually wanted to. The reason why I opened up an IBKR account, I wanted to start trading options because for me, I'm very good with establishing a weekly bias. So for instance, GJ, we were bullish on the week. So it's easy for me to establish a weekly bias. And I wanted to buy, for instance, like options, weekly options. Then you don't have to stress about where your entry is in that. But bro, that platform is ridiculous. I think it's actually more difficult to place a options trade on IBKR than actually trading. I'm very honest. I looked into, I think it's Sierra. I think TD Securities uses Sierra. So, TD, or do they have their own platform? But yeah, that's still something a little bit later on. I want to start diving into is options trading. I don't know if you guys know how options work, but it's not so much. Entries are important, but it's not like a fixed stop. You just win or lose on the premium of your option. So at any stage, can you sell your option before it expires worthless? So looks like a sell on gold. Looks like a sell. On what planet are you, my brother? This thing has not yet shown signs of weakness here. Let's quickly do this. Let's do this. I definitely want to start dabbling in options. I think it's a less stressful trading environment. There's that $5 grid we spoke about. You guys didn't even have to pay for this concept, but $5 grid on gold, and yeah, I would only say I would look to sell gold if we start trading below here, because at any stage can this thing flip back to go and attack that 2035. Options is a different ball game. No, I agree. Is futures and options the same? No. this Nasdaq you're seeing here, this is futures. Options is how can I explain it to somebody that wait, let me log into my IG account so I can show you. I hope I've got my login. I don't know if I've got my logins here for my IG. Let's quickly go in here.
I swear you forget those things every day.
Oh no, it's still here. Oh shit, Chad, yeah, it's here. I can show you guys now. Alright, Chad, let me quickly check what's happening here. Alright, let's do this. Let me know if you guys can see. Wait, let me just see. Oh shit, no, that's not gonna work. Alright, Chad, let's quickly. Oh, yo. Chad, give me 1 second. I just want to show you guys what options are. Sure, this thing is quite sensitive. Alright, Chad, you guys should be seeing this. Let me just drag it in a little bit. Okay, let's go commodities. Let's go gold. Let's quickly go options, commodities, and let's quickly look at, let's do a weekly expiry. So this is currently the strike line for the options, the calls and the puts. And this is the premium you're gonna pay for the buys. So $8 basically, but it's technically $800. And for the sells, it's 4. So it's technically cheaper for the sells where we're currently at. So I'm gonna actually buy some puts here, expecting that the dollar is gonna go down. And let's do one contract. So it's $100 per point, so 5.4. That is the premium. So let's place that deal. I'm buying a put. Okay, so there the deal is confirmed. And now what happens is, let me just see if I can get the chart on here for you guys. Just want to show you guys the chart. Alright, now you guys are going to see the options chart. So this is not the gold chart. This is the chart of the actual premium. So I bought a put. So if price goes down, what's going to happen is the premium of my put is going to increase because it's going to start going into the money. So if gold drops below 2030, 2010, people would want to buy that in the money option from me. So whatever the premium is, so if this thing jumps now from 5 where I got in to 10, that is literally a $500 trade. At any stage can I jump out of this if I want to, but you can see currently my loss is $90 because that's just the spread between the sell and the buy. But again, there's no stop loss. It's purely on the premium. So this, what you're seeing on the right, is the premium I'm paying for my option. If I just leave the option till the end of the week and it expires worthless, let me just show you guys. Just want to show you what it's going to look like at the end of the week. It literally just expires worthless. So it's got no value. So there you'll see at the end of the week, for instance, that the put options, all of the previous weeks just expired worthless. So it's technically a $500 bet I'm making, and this thing can go to 40, for instance, and then it's like 35 times 500 because I basically it's a $3,500 trade. And my technical risk was only $500. So that's where the upside, that's where you'll hear guys talk about saying that they made 2,000% on their options trade. Synthetics. I don't like synthetics, my dude. I'm not a fan. Keek, synthetics for you, my bro.
No.
No, there you've got it. Plain and simple. Don't let anyone tell you, oh, I've made so much money on synthetics, this and that. That's a typical gambler mindset. We actually spoke to someone, and I said, how much money have you made? No, I've made a lot. How much have you lost? Oh, no, I've lost as well. I'm like, but how do you know you're net positive? I don't know, I just know. I'm like, no, every gambler says that. I've won more than I lost. But yeah, futures definitely. And you can even do currencies, Chad. So let's say, for instance, let's quickly go FX. Let's do a weekly on GU. And let's do puts on GU. Then we can check in on it tomorrow. So let's go 10 contracts. Alright, so if GU starts trading down for the rest of the week, let's quickly look at the GU. Let's quickly look at the GU one. Let's quickly look at the GU one. Okay, I went a little bit hard on this, so it's literally $500 per point. But anyways, so if this thing jumps 10 contracts, if this thing just jumps to 20, that's basically, what is it, 20? That's almost a $4,000 trade on options. But we'll check it at the end of the week, maybe a little bit later. Just keep that running in the back end. Steve, 100% controlled by the broker. Jev, yeah, just pray for Jev. He's still, I don't think he's still trading it. If he's still trading it, we still love you, Jev, but we'll pray for you, my brother.
Jev swears by synthetics.
Jake's the thing though with all of these markets are this is literally the half the weekday session. Like you don't want to get involved there. There's the monthly pivot. This is already almost at the R4. I'm not saying it's going to go up, but the probability is not leaning. I don't know. Keeks, do you want to buy at these levels?
No.
Not really interested. And also we've got the news, so we got to wait for there's a massive deck of PMIs, and then we've got CPI as well. So no need to try and force a trade yet today. One thing I would say though is UJ is most probably the only trade that hasn't really moved. And if I overlay GJ and EJ here, let's quickly do that. We can maybe try a little bit of a catch-up play here. Let's quickly get GJ on here. So there you can see that divergence. This is where the breakdown in correlation happened. So GJ making weekly highs and UJ dropping down. So we've got a little bit of a pullback play. Just want to overlay Euro JPY as well quickly. And there you can see Euro JPY as well. So can we catch a little bit of a catch-up play? Risky, but again, as mentioned, if we can hold above these levels, just want to see why I've got so many key levels here. Give me 1 second, Chad. What is this? Oh yeah, that was yesterday, the session high. Actually the weekly high. Yeah, So there we held that key level above that 150 EMAs. Yeah, all I want to literally see is then I might go long, something like that. Just holding Asia lows, nice hold of Asia lows, and then from there a nice little break of structure here, and then we're good to go. Keeks, what are you looking at on gold? No, nothing. Okay, Keeks is...
I'm still waiting. Yeah, that previous weekly high now, so...
Would you short, would you take a risky short there or not? Going against the order flow?
Dollar still needs to show me something. End of the day, that it's 150 minute candle on DXY. So DXY, I can't take a change on one candle. Especially the fact the candles are so extended. So even if you have a pullback on that can be a very, very big pullback on that on gold as well. So it's just, yeah, I personally wouldn't. Not saying you can't, but personally wouldn't.
UJ, what do you think of my plan on UJ?
You want to go
Long.
Well, my thing was the whole time, literally the plan I said to the guys was, you've now actually regained the pivot. If you can test and close back above the daily pivot, so literally where you are now, I'll take it on that already.
I think GJ will go down and hit the order block, which is where I'll buy. No point. 100%. Hey, I'm Robbie. I almost said Helm, Robbie. Gold reject breakout. Naga, gold is a beast, my dude. I'm not gonna lie. While it's in this range, don't touch it. Wait for 2030. Wait for 2035. Yeah, in the middle, can literally chop here for the rest of the session. So wait to see what we do here. Set your alerts. Very easy. You don't have to wait for a fair value gap or a BB plus or a BB negative. You can literally just wait to see whether this breakout holds here 2030. If it does, very likely we're going to 2035. If not, we're going deeper down here. Keep it simple, effective. Don't try and force anything here. I think this is where most traders will mess up a good week or even start spiraling into a bad week.
Yeah.
Maybe a week that's not great will spiral into something, a house on fire, and all you're doing is you putting more fuel on the fire.
No, I agree with that.
Yeah, I don't like to trade the consolidation. Would rather stick to my beautiful Robbie. That's exactly US 30 NAS. As mentioned, I would have loved the pullback, but this thing is on a rocket ship. US 30, I think back at, yeah, dude, there she goes. US 30 ready to do some damage here. US 30 ready to, not gonna buy it up here, 100% not. So don't get caught out. Wait for at least some type of structure to build. UJ at this stage is the only one that I'm really focused on here. 150, 26, 4. UJ is the one that we can. Geeks, we must just let Sahil know we are going to be in town.
Then just confirm that with him. I did see Carl also replied. I haven't listened to him yet, but I'm sure that man's going to meet up with us as well.
Oh,
Maybe he wants to go play golf.
Bro, I never knew he was also a scratch golfer. Holy shit. That man absolutely peels the iron. if you would ask me now, do I want a brand new M3,
Yeah.
or if I can peer the clubs like Carl would, definitely peering my irons like that, man. Absolutely ridiculous. It's actually a sin that somebody can eat his irons like that. Yeah. I still message him. I'm like, bro, what are you doing? He's like, oh, didn't I say I'm actually like a very good golfer? I'm like, no. You never.
You left that part out.
We never talked about that, my guy. Like, what are you busy with here?
Yeah, but I know G's up there as well.
Yeah, G's also. I haven't seen G swing though, but I think we will. Chad, we're gonna do a giveaway here as soon as we get to 200 likes, 200 people in the chat, only 68 likes. Let's get those likes up. We're gonna do 2 giveaways, roll over from yesterday. So let's quickly run up those likes. 200, 2 giveaways. We're doing the double up again, so you're getting the chance to double up that account. That's true. Last week, Thursday turned my good week into an okay week. Yana, stay in your hands. The synthetic algorithm works similar to those of slot machine. Yes. Yes, NASP 100%. Guys, we all loving stream. Let's click the like. Yeah. Let's quickly run it. Once we get it to 150, we'll start with the first one, and then we'll just quickly push it through to 200. In GJ bias since yesterday's Asia, Shadrick, I would love to be that position that you are in. Yesterday's Asia lows, oh my sack, my brother, that is a trade. That is a trade. Also, don't be greedy. 191, lock it in. Don't be greedy. Don't give back. 140, I would have already locked here, but there's 20. Okay, Shadrick, here's my thing. You got it from yesterday's Asia lows. So here's my thing. I don't know what your stop loss was. Let's say you even used the wider stop loss, 30 pips. So remember, this is not your risk anymore. This right here is not your risk. This all of a sudden now becomes your risk. This here. So you are now technically risking 150 pips. This is your risk. If you don't lock in here, you're risking 150 pips for an extra 27 pips. And that's always the question you need to ask yourself. This is already almost a 1 to 5 R. I would have locked it in right here. Because a pullback is probable, but again, you'll see the latest cruiser. Don't tell me there's a new cruiser. Kiggs, did you see the testing yesterday? I don't even want to talk about it.
Well, first, did you see it?
I saw it, bro. I don't want to talk about it. Bro.
So hear me out. Just hear me out though. I'm not done on it yet. Purely because, like, even with talking with Jabba and, like, he admitted this, is basically, like, what's her name? Red Bull will always go balls out from the start. Like, they'll put their cards there and it's a thing, can you match us? Where Ferrari, Mercedes, all these guys, they sandbag. So
I don't
like, my thing is, the thing with George didn't even fight that overtake. He moved out the way, go past. Ferrari did the same thing. They weren't racing each other. So I'm not saying that's the case, but I'm not going to say, like, listen, we man down here. Because when you look at you cannot tell me the AlphaTauri and then we're, second on the timing sheet yesterday. That's because the guys were not pushing the other guys. Red Bull always has to be number one. It's a little ego contest for them. But everyone else was chilled. So
I'm going to be honest here. Watching all of the previous seasons, and everybody was like sandbagging. I don't think the Merc is up there. Just purely just purely just off the out of the garage base, it's already looking bleak. But I think the third day, when I start running on the softs, but yeah, bro, it sickens me. But anyways,
At least we didn't crash.
yeah.
I will take that away. We didn't crash and we didn't go off the track.
Bro, so is this the Land Cruiser that's gonna replace your traditional one? It actually looks a lot like the FJ Cruiser they've got, the front for me. But it almost gives me a little bit of a Hummer vibe. Oh, it looks like the new Defender.
I was gonna say it looks like the Defender.
Yeah, range. Sorry, Land Rover. Let's quickly check.
Ooh, hold on. There we go. Garen sent me it now. He's like,
His hairline.
ask Chris to rate out of 10. Me personally, I rate 8. His swing.
Alright, let me see. Let me see, Chad. We're doing a live review. Looks like an FJ. No, that's up there, Garen. Just a little grip it and rip it there, no? Beautiful.
So what are we rating it? Or what
Nah,
are you rating
I'll give it a 9, my dude. Maybe a little bit unstable through the follow through. His feet. He gives me almost a little bit of what's his name? Number 1 now. Scottish Scheffler vibes. Not as aggressive. Scotty like twirls his feet here at the end, but got a little bit of a Scotty. He's got a tiny bit of a Scotty finish, Garen. Not as ugly as Scotty, but just
Scotty.
that, just a little bit of it. No, that's bro. That's money. You can go and play golf with that any time of the day. Okay, 150 likes, Chad. Let's get 150. I don't think. Are you guys keen for a giveaway? Let's do that giveaway. Let's not pull these likes out of you. Let's get those likes up to 150. It's literally a click of a button. I'm selling you a double up, and I'm selling you this UJ trade that we're gonna take as well. So it's literally a 3 for 1. I'm asking you for 1 like, and I'm giving you 2 accounts, and I'm giving you a UJ trade that needs to catch up with GJ, so and EJ. So come on, Chad. And then also, if you have not yet subscribed, let me actually get the Nightbots ready so long. Nightbot. Let's get Nightbot ready here, Chad. I actually did this for my currency charts as well. Round numbers, half round numbers. Alrighty, Chad, Nightbot. Let's quickly check here. Time for some giveaways. I don't know. If we get it to 200 real quick, I might even do the 100K today. $100,000 one.
Oh, guys.
I don't know, Chad.
How bad you want it?
I don't know. The chat is not hungry enough. I don't think the chat is hungry enough. Let's where's the likes currently at? 110, Chad. 100K giveaway. I don't know what I need to do more here for you guys to. All right, Nightbot is ready. Dude, this song is such a banger, dude. Catches me off guard every time.
Oh, this one.
No ways they did this to us.
So you just kill it.
Sheesh. I don't know why the night pot is.
What's Napa doing?
It's only showing one eligible user.
Yeah, that's why I don't even use the last time, because when we did that giveaway, it like took 40 minutes to load 10 people.
Yeah, something's not right here. Yo. Your Keegs, we might need to run this thing on manual, eh? Sure. Holy smokes.
We're going old school again.
It seems we are... Oh. Okay, chat, it seems we are 150 chat, 20 more to go. 17. Let's get it. UJ there making that move. GJ on the move. Let's check data coming out here. Composite PMI is not looking too bad. Manufacturing PMI is dropping. Services still looking solid for the Eurozone. 17 more likes, chat. 205. Let's run it up. And then in 27 minutes, S&P CIPS PMI is coming out of Britannia. So let's see what that brings. DXY making a little bit of a comeback here. DXY fighting its way back. US 30 coming down as mentioned. Why do I want to touch it at these levels? Gold just ranging here. GU range. EU.
I don't know what it is that lately these headphones are chalking my ears again. Yes. Like we got to a point where we were so good with them. Now they're like killing my ears again.
Chad, we need 14 more. Let's get it. 14 more. We're going to start the giveaway. 14 more likes. Chadmut Active Rock. Chadmut Active Rock. 2G's trading. Do you guys think news for GBP will be bearish following the recession sentiment? Checks, if I'm very honest. If I'm very, very honest, I've got no idea. And I'm going to tell you why. 2 weeks ago, the initial data for the week was good for the pound and just died off at the end. So at this stage, it is a mixed bag with everything. The best is going to be to wait for 9 more likes. Going to need to wait for the data. Simple as that. Just wait for the data and we react to the data. Okay, Keegs, are you ready? How's your eyes, my bro?
They feeling fresh, brother. I've got this.
Yo, Chad, some manual giveaway here. We're gonna put in a body of work here.
This is a moment I hope we don't choose a hard number that they can't get. I'll never forget that stream, man. Yo, my eyes were broken.
Oh, when I
after that.
struggled.
Yeah,
yes,
my eyes were
dude,
watering at the end of that. And that only happened once where it was like after they just couldn't get that number.
Oh, baby, G Warhawk in the house. Chris,
That thing's really dying.
Yeah, but I think it was the water. Alian, how's it? Late, but yeah, brother, you haven't missed anything. Vince Cornelius, the horn is chalked.
Oh.
Manifesting the OG numbers.
He said us a headline.
Did he send us a headline? Let me see,
I'm
let me
losing
see.
a Forget 25 and I'm losing at trading jokes. My family got amazing air genes, but nothing can save you from trading.
Wait, let me read what he said. It's this arrow. Gee, the big thing is these arrow ducts. This is where like the deterioration starts. Like look, the way Keegan's looking out, check out that big arrow duct.
Yeah.
That's like a big.
Gee, you coming with us to Turkey, brother?
Nah, bro. Chat, it's gonna be 3 of us on the GoFundMe. At this stage, we might even forfeit our hair transplant for G. Keegs, how old are you now?
25.
Yeah, bro, it's tough because I'm still an older guy. I can wait a little bit, but you younger guys.
Thing is, if you wait, you might, when you can go, there's nothing going to be anything left.
Yo, bro, that's the issue though.
You can only save something that's worth saving.
Chad, we just officially added G to the GoFundMe project. It's actually a lot worse than I thought.
You know, bro, if only, hey, we need to just get hold of Toto and we can give him some of these aerodynamics there, and that Mercedes will win the championship.
Keeks, it's actually worse than I thought looking at G. I actually thought he had a lot more working there for him, but Chad, no, G definitely part of the Project Turkey. EJ, anyone? No, my brother, nothing here for me.
But I think he's onto something. I think it's a trading thing.
No, it's definitely a trading thing. 100%. In terms of the structural engineering work I did, very stressful. But here's the thing though, everything is controlled. So whatever input you put in, you're gonna get the output. Where with trading, you can put in hours and get 0 output. So I think that's the. Did you talk about the arrows yesterday? No. Thanks for the support, boys. I did an upgrade to the arrow department. 3 more likes, Chad. Let me get the coin flip. Yo, Keeks, you're going to have to help me with my eyes here, my bro.
Sure.
Okay, coin flip. UJ is starting to set up here, Chad. Just going to need to be patient here. I hope Mo didn't chalk our coin flip profile here.
Mo was playing around with a lot of things there today.
Yo, bro. Oh, yeah, I did choke it a little bit, but wait. Don't stress, Chad. I've got this. Just some in-session editing here. Screen 2, beautiful.
Keys ditched the cap between. Nah, I still wear my caps, bro. When I think it was Friday I wore a cap. Friday, Thursday?
What's that?
The cap. If I'm all honesty, bro, like I do still wear my caps, but if I literally just can't get my hair any like half decent, I just wear a cap on. It's quick and easy. But if I can't, then yeah, we're trying to stay without the cap. The cap is what's adding to my hairline. So I've got to try ditch it as much as possible.
So So you're right. It's the cap that's
No,
destroying
it is a
you.
thing because the what's the name? Your cap. So especially when you sweat, because of where your cap
Yeah.
is, it kills those hair follicles. It's a thing. But I always just try to deny it. But it is a thing.
Hey.
Yeah, gee, I'm the same, bro. I have like a whole like hanger area in my room with all my caps on.
Wait, Keeks, I'm just gonna need to throw over to your screen quick
Nice, sure.
while I do this edit. Otherwise, it's not allowing me
I
to
thought the
edit.
cap thing was a myth, bro. Trust me, I also thought so. But I think it's been speeding up this, so I kind of got to believe it now.
Chat, so I'm just getting everything ready for us.
I'm going to of my life before this. Yeah, no, it is, bro. It becomes like a party. Yeah, it really does.
There.
No, when you wear a cap all the time, when you don't wear a cap, it feels weird. Because I still, like you were saying there, like when you're just playing golf all the time, you kind of live with that cat. And it's the same like when we played rugby, especially when you're in Cape Town. I mean, that sun, bro, is brutal. So a lot of the time, like, if we don't have it on, it's because we like hectic training. But when we're doing fitness, things like that, we've always got a cap on.
Yeah, I love training with the cap as well.
Even if it was like those peak things, but you always had something on.
Okay. What is Control Z? Yeah, sure. Ooh.
What are you waiting for?
No, this thing is just being very difficult in terms of like positioning it.
What are we still at now? Are we even ready to do it? Hey, 156. Okay,
Yeah, no, we're ready. Now just to move this thing, why is it not allowing me to move it?
No, Jason, you haven't missed anything, brother. I mean, we've just been talking cuck, but we're getting ready to take trades. They kind of in our ears, just waiting for entry criteria, and we're about to do the giveaway. So yeah, didn't miss anything. The new M2. Chris and I were talking about this the other day. I must say I wasn't a fan until I actually saw them in person, and I was like, okay, damn, this is nice. And then afterwards, like now when you see it in person, like when you look at it in photos, it's almost like you can understand how wide it is, how it looks, and it's like, okay, like when I look at photos now, it's super nice. And I think we were talking, it's that like cherry red it comes in.
Yeah.
Oh
that's
my
dope.
word, that is nice.
Chat, sorry, this thing is breaking me.
He also have his M2.
Yeah.
Yeah, he also still has it.
Yeah.
Bro,
So
we
it's
I
got a-
swear when we're there, we're gonna go do like a garage tour with that man.
Yo, Chad, this thing is making it tough here for me. Oh, there's it. Beautiful. Okay. Shish. I had to fight for my life for that one. But now I think Keegan's screen is... Your cam looks chalk.
What are you doing there?
Yes, bro. I was struggling to get this thing to work.
I see you chalked our little progress bar.
Yeah, bro. Like we'll get it. All right, Chad. I'm ready for this giveaway. If you have not yet subscribed, let's subscribe as well. Support the channel, and we are ready here, Chad. Let me just get slow mode. Also, we're just waiting. I've set my alerts here. Just waiting for UJ to break out of this consolidation, so you're not missing anything. On the contrary, we're actually saving you because some of you machine gunners. Okay, Keegs, let me just wipe my eyes quickly. Chad, give me 1 second. You ready, bro?
Wait, do you have a number there?
No.
I'll
You
just
gotta
say,
throw something in your phone there for me, brother.
or what?
Yeah, I can't believe Nightbot dropped us like this.
You were living the good life, and now it's gone.
Ears are a little bit clapped. Ears are clapped. Eyes are a little bit clapped. Edgar, beautiful heads.
Alright.
Dorita, I don't know. Something's chalked there, my bro. It's only showing like 2 eligible users. Keeks, alrighty, thrills me. Keeks, give us alrighty there.
Alrighty.
Chad, and then we're gonna do the biggie at 200k. Let me know when you're ready there, Keeks.
I thought I was ready. I changed my mind. There we go.
Alright, alrighty.
Alright.
That's terrible, but let's do it. Okay, wait, let me just see it, bro. Bro. Sorry. Keeks, let me just see again. It's 400. Alright, okay. Chad, 400 to 500. And no Nightbot, but we are live, baby. Let's go. 400 to 500. Let's get it. Oh, Chad, getting close, baby. Ah, there's it. Keeks, you saw it, eh?
No, but
Fuck, wait.
where did you see it?
Bro.
Oh, there you are. Unique 6 to 11.
Who?
Unique 6 to 11.
No, I've got Byron CPT here by me. Wait. Chad, 463 is the number, but I've got Byron CPT is unique below. Yo, you see, Chad. Now we need to... King... Whoa, wait. King Shaq, you messing here, my bro. Wait, we're just doing an audit here real quick, Chad. I've got Byron CPT. Keeks, check here.
Yeah, I'm just going all the way to the top quickly.
Okay, we're just gonna... we're just doing a full external third-party audit here, Chad. So I've got Byron CPT. Keegan's just gonna check. Winner is 463. So we're just gonna...
Okay, yeah. So I didn't miss anyone from the top. So I'm seeing unique. Where's Byron compared to unique?
I don't even see on my side. So this is obviously logged in.
Yeah, that's the actual
unique.
account, yeah.
Unique is under Byron CPT. So Byron CPT is the winner, Chad. And again,
but just wait. But hold on one thing, because my thing is.
But remember,
I don't even see Byron's.
But you're not logged into the stream on it. You logged in as a guest. Check your Keeks. Check there. You check. So let's use this one. I must actually log you in there as well, so you can see the same chat.
Yeah, because where my side on the chat side, where Byron is showing literally right.
Yeah. Chad, no, Byron won it fair and square. Let me just bring it across here so before the Chad rips me apart again. Chad, just want to show you guys there.
No, that is the actual account.
There's Byron CPT and there's Unique. So I just want to show you guys. We're not trying to. So Byron CPT, my brother. You already know what's happening here. Here's my thing. Byron's.
Okay, the chat can actually see him on top as well. So
Yeah. Byron CPT, my brother. Are you taking the 5K or are you doubling it up, my brother? Let's get a good start here. Are you taking the 5K? Please tell me we're doing that coin flip. Don't.
Hold on. Unique entered the same number twice.
But somebody's saying an MS.
MS, but even MS says looks like Unique beat me. Go check right at the top because I went to the top, I didn't see it, but they're saying he actually entered it twice.
Who? Unique.
Yeah, the guys are saying here twice. There's MS that goes before that.
Chad, MS. MS, baby, apologies. Yeah, MS after John Ray could see it. Chad, sorry, man. Let's just edit this quickly. There's MS. And here's Byron CPT all the way down here. There. Above MS. Okay, here's MS. Let's quickly check. 463. Let's check it here. Yo, you. Ah, shit. Oh, Unique. Baby, Unique is back. Sorry,
Unique,
guys.
that's yours.
Unique.
That is
Alright,
yours, Unique.
alright. No. Chad.
That's why we said, yo, I'm not seeing on my side, but that is the accounts one, so that is the most valid one for us.
Chad, fair and
got
square. Keeks, just show them the number there so that there's no denying this. Unique.
There's
Sorry.
the number over there.
Yeah, sorry, Chad. Unique one for sure. Okay, baby. Unique. What are we doing? What are we doing? Are we flipping this coin, my brother? Are we flipping the coin or are we taking the 5K Vault Funder account and running? I can almost feel Unique. Unique's going to go for it, bro. He's going to go for the double. There's no way he's not going for the double.
Well done. Yeah, that was up and down,
Yeah,
guys. But
sorry,
like I said,
guys.
we will make sure we get the winner.
I think there was a lot of emotion there.
Oh,
I'm taking the 5.
Oh.
Unique. We still love you, baby. Let me know, do you know the process? Do you know the process, my brother? Chat, 34 more likes. We're doing the 100K today. We're doing the full Casino Royale.
Yeah, so
full casino.
Yeah, I'm watching gold, guys, but that thing's just breaking. I need a re-entry there. I can't. If I don't get a retest, I can't just jump in that. But yeah, gold is absolutely smashing that level now.
To the guy that said gold was a sell, my brother, you were right. I wouldn't have sold into it, but you were right. I can't remember your name. I just purely said wait for this 2030.
Yeah, my thing was I just need to break that previous weekly high. Then I would have taken it, but it's breaking it and running.
Let me just, as Unique hasn't let me know. Chris, if I get this right, can I get a 50K? No. No, I don't. Unique. So what you need to do is go register an account on Vault Funder. Let me just show you the process because for some guys it's still challenging. Go onto vaultfunder.trade. Hereby login, go to login, go to create one here, create your account, and then what you need to do is send me a screenshot of your YouTube profile name so I can know that it's you, and send me your email address you used to register on Vault Funder. So let me just get this list right. All right, Chad. 30 more likes. We're doing the 100K Casino Royale. We've already given away 200Ks. just on 2 accounts, 4 million rand with buying power. Alright, unique. What is it? Unique 2621. Alright, beautiful. Just a young 5k for unique. Chat, 29 more likes. If you have not been here for the Casino Royale, it is it is messy, it is ugly, but we get it done.
Yeah, you know how hard it's gonna be without Nightbot now. Our eyes are gonna be dead.
Wait, let me flip. Akko, my brother, let me just show you quickly what's happening here. Maybe Akko can help me live on stream.
Because that is gonna
that's gonna Akko, so check here, my brother. Let me just bring this across. So this is what Nightbot is showing me. So I need to obviously select eligibility. So users, if I click here on, okay, that grays it out, so it's not taking the users. So click it, look here. Nightbot is chalked, my bro. Okay, yeah, it's starting to. One guy,
did Nightbot join the channel already? I don't know.
How do you mean join the channel? Yo, my dude, I don't know. Pod channel, yeah, he's in the channel mode. It's adding whoever's commenting. I don't think so, because I don't know. Okay, Chad, we're gonna ask you guys. Yeah, it seems like.
Oh, Ever's commenting it.
Yeah. All right, Chad, quickly drop a chat. Just drop the chat. Let's get everybody in. We're gonna do this the right way. 25 more likes, baby. 100k Casino Royale. Let's go, baby. Ah, come on, Chad. 25 more likes. I know you guys have got it in you. Come on, man. I'm ready for this casino. Keeks, are you ready?
I'm always ready, brother.
But again, Chad, remember, you can't choose to take the account. It's either you're going all the way or you're not going. That's how the 100k works. Keeks, are you happy with that?
So
how did we do it last time?
We always just rolled it and the guys weren't winning until we get to the 100k. And if they did win, they still said double up.
Oh yeah, so they could choose. So they win, and then we start the coin flip, eh?
Yeah, and then if they get the coin, if they lose, it's an automatic double up. If
Okay.
they win, they get the chance to
Let me
either
just
pass it on or.
Okay, I'll check.
Yeah, we can turn slow mode off now.
Yeah, sorry, slow mode is off. 17 more, chat. I'm just gonna go pee quick. Nightbot seems beautiful. Drop those chads real quick if you want to be a winner here today. Drop into the chat. And Keeks, anything for you so far, my brother?
Gold's running away from what I wanted, but I mean, I'll look if I can really get in at the Asia highs.
Okay, Chad, I'm still waiting here for you, Jay.
He says they change giveaway type to random instead of active user.
Okay, but anyways, Chad, drop the chat there.
Oh, Caleb.
What's
Much love, brother. Super Chad.
Caleb Juice, just a young donor there, love from Cape Town. Caleb Juice, beautiful brother. Thank you so much for the dono, supporting the channel.
Yeah, he says he's like, it wasn't active.
Okay, I think Nightbot, things are just even a young dono coming through here, Chad. It's gonna be a day, yeah. Things are Things are heating up here, Chad. PMIs again. Manufacturing in the Eurozone is struggling. Services doing well. But let's check UJ, Chad. Very, very simple trade setup idea here. But we're going to see what we get here. I'm just going to run to the toilet real quick. 17 more likes. 100k Casino Royale. Technically 200. Not 200,000. 2 million rand. In monetary value. So 17 more likes. I know you got it in you, Chad. Let's do it. And I'll be back. Keeks, think of a number so long. Let me just see what.
But isn't Napak going to choose a number?
Yeah, but the range.
Oh, yeah.
But still, it's still a range.
Yeah. Yo, let's get this, guys. Come on. Which junker did you restore, Keeks? Which junker? Wait, what are you talking about? What have you on about? Napa still requires people to be active, but the active user giveaway will only take members that talk in chat. Oh, okay, yeah. No, but they need to be the guys that are only talking, because the ones that are talking are the ones that are sending the numbers. So wouldn't that be, because now you're going to give it to someone that didn't even enter. Wouldn't that make sense? So doesn't it need to be on active then? Yeah, because that just makes sense to me. They would have to be entering or typing a number to be active and then be chosen. Because now it can choose someone that didn't even choose the number. Keys, can we take sales below Asia highs for gold? Yeah, bro, I'm looking at it. That's gonna be like where I'm looking at getting a possible re-entry. If we can get nicely under Asia lows and hold it. Sounds logical. Yeah, that's what I think of. But we're just waiting there, guys. So very, very simple. Just a little bit of a wait. UJ played out, holding that daily pivot and running. Obviously, I don't know why Chris didn't take that, but focused on gold. DXY gonna get a nice closure above weekly supply. Then I think that thing is on its way back up. So yeah, just keeping an eye on gold honestly for now. Yes, bro, this thing just will not give us an entry here. A daily swing point. Why you wanted to buy? Where do you want to swing to?
All right, Chad, I'm back. Okay, UJ. Here's my thing. Very simple. First break back above, and all I want to see is a retest and a hold here. So I think we can start the contest here. We can start it here. Okay.
I was saying, hold on. I was saying to this. 98% of scammers drive a Rari. Nah, shut up.
Ah, shit. Caleb Juice with another dono, baby.
But I was just saying.
Hey, Caleb Juice just dropping donos here. All right, Chad, you know what that means? The $8 or the $4 or $5 we could have made on the stream. Ah, Chad, you already know what's happening here. The real Keeks, do you think the real Chad knows what's happening here?
The OGs know what's about to come.
Ah, Chad, no, baby, not ready. But are we on 200? Are we on 200? Where are we? Go on, 17 more, Chad. 15 more, Chad. Let's get it. Let's get it going, Chad. Let's see if the coop can bring those numbers up. 15 more likes. They don't know me, son. Who's gonna carry the funded accounts? Who's gonna carry the simulated profit? Oh, baby. Thursday in the house. Caleb, thanks so much, brother, for that dono. This song is dedicated to Caleb with a young... actually, 2 donos. Man, it's just dropping bags here today on the stream. 14 more likes, chat, and we're going for that 2 mil giveaway. Let's go, baby. Oh shit, chat. S and R, baby, young Dana there. Let me make my presence known.
Chad stepping up today.
Gigs, what's happening here? Chad dropping some serious donos here. Shish. I'm on this channel. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Then my mic is clipping like a beast here. Chad, this is the business end of the stream. Things are getting serious here. 6 more likes. Can I get 6 more? I know there's 6 more, 5 more, 5 more there in the corner. Give me 5, give me 5, give me 5, give me 5, Chad. That's all I'm asking. I'm not asking for a lot. 5 more likes, 5 more likes. Do we have 5 more likes in the chat? S and R. Ah, shit, Chad. Another donor there. Garen, oh.
Gee.
Okay, Chad, we're about to get going here. We're about to get going. 202 likes, baby. Ah, come on. Might even do a double casino here today. Chad going off. Alright, Chad, get ready. Chad is going off here. Caleb Juice. Yeah.
Oh, Jim. On the road to 2K, baby.
Let's go, baby. Caleb Juice starting this dono war here. Sheesh. Alright, Chad. Alright, Chad. Alright. I think it's decided we're gonna do 2 casino royales here today. I don't know why my mic is still peaking here, but anyways, Chad. Things just got wild here. Things just got a hella wild here. And I think this is the soundtrack for it. Mute as well, baby. Keeks, give me a range there. I think we're ready to get it going.
Alright, Chatty, alright. I think it's time we're going to go a little 800 to 1,100.
Ooh, alright. It's a nice wide range.
A nice wide one, guys.
Chad, we are live, baby. Let's get it going. 800 to 1,100.
Who's going to get it, Chad?
Can I get an 800 there in the corner? 800, 900. Oh, Chad, come on, baby. All right, I'm just going to take a sip of this coffee.
Who's going to be our first winner, ladies and gents? I just saw another dono. Another dono. The boys.
Yay! S and R, baby.
Steinsberg with a little dono. S and R. The boys pumping it up here today.
Chad, baby. Things are ripping off here. Dono's coming in hot, left, right, and center. Eddie and Glovu, baby.
Hey, here we go. Round one winner.
All right, Eddie, baby. You know the drill. There is no Eddie. Keeks, how are we doing it? Coin flip till the 100, eh?
Till the 100, baby.
All right, Eddie and Glovu. Oh yeah, so how we did it last time is so where we stop, that's where the next guy goes on, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. Eddie and Glovu, baby, you are the winner. Chad, here's the Eddie and Glovu, just so you can see. Young Eddie and Glovu. Man is looking dapper as can be. Eddie, my brother, what are we doing? Heads or tails? Heads or tails? Chat to me, Eddie. Big Ed, my boy. Oh!
Ow. There's the big Ed.
Hey! Calling out those young donos here. Eddie and Glovu, baby. Tails. Tails.
No, but that's Ricardo that said tails.
No, man. Eddie.
Oh, Eddie said they are.
Yeah. All right. Right, Keeks, I'm gonna give you this first one, my brother. So 3, 2, 1, let's go, baby.
Let's go, baby.
Ah!
Oh! And round 2 is on the way.
Eddie, sorry, my brother. Eddie said tails, eh?
Yeah.
Eddie, sorry, my brother. But at least you've got a decent suit, my brother. That suit looks dapper. I'm not gonna lie. Keeks, new range, my brother.
New range, Chad.
New range. Talk to me. Talk to me.
Ooh, let's go big, yeah.
Sorry, Ed, but you're still in the mix.
Just to manifest it, guys, we're gonna go 6,100 to 6,200.
Oh, okay, that's a nice tight range. All right, Chad. 3, 2, 1, baby. We are live. Let's go. Let's go.
Who's gonna get
Let's see, baby. Thing is still alive.
it? Remember, guys, we had a
2 chins.
2 chins. Oh.
What's better than 1 chin?
Oh, 2 chins. You got to double up this time, brother.
Bruh,
You
can't
won
run.
the other day
Yeah.
and you took the 5K. So we know you have a 5K.
No, but you
this
can't
is
choose. You can't choose. You
No,
have
but
to.
if he wins it, if he does win the
Oh,
coin flip.
yeah.
So
Okay.
2 chins. What's it gonna be, brother? Are we doing the coin flip or you straight passing it on?
Jason Larkin with the young 22
Hey.
euro dono, baby. Oh, come on, Chad. What is 2 chins doing? Tails, let's go, baby. I'm taking this one, Keeks. I'm taking this one. 3, 2, 1. Oh, shish. 2 chins, sorry, my brother. Chad, there's still life here.
So guys, we are now sitting at 25K.
No, it doesn't double up.
Aren't we doubling up?
No, they have to win it. And then if they win it, they've got the choice. Well, how are we doing it?
No, that's how we did last time.
Oh, so it just rolls over.
It just rolled over.
Okay. So where are we now? 25K.
25K.
Okay. I'm going to give a range, Chad. 7,000 to 7,170. And we are live, baby. We are live. Let's go, baby.
Come on, Chad.
Oh. Chad's not ready.
Who's got it this one?
Chad's not ready.
We are sitting at a 25k funded account.
25k account up for grabs here. Taku 0407, baby. You are the winner, guys. Taco,
Come
please stand up,
on.
my brother.
Can the real Taco please stand
25k.
up?
25k for my bro Taco. What is Taco doing? Taco, my bro.
Taco, yes. Which one is it, bro? Heads or tails?
Heads or tails, broski? Taco, young tail. I'm giving this one to Keegs.
Alright.
Keegadarius. Give it to me. 3, 2, 1, baby. Oh.
Woo.
Chad.
Woo. 3 heads in a row.
Sheesh. Okay. On to the next. Keegs, give me a range there, my brother.
Oh, Chad, I think we're gonna go big here again. We're gonna get you
Alright.
keyboard warriors fighting
What are we doing? What are we doing
for
here?
the 50k accounts.
All right.
We're gonna go 49,900
Yeah.
to 50,100.
Yo, bro, I had a Jacob Zuma moment there. to 50. to where? To 50k.
50k 100.
50,000 what? 50,000. 50. No, I'm kidding. 50,000. All right, Chad.
Chad, we haven't started.
Chad, we are live, baby. We are live. Did I put that thing in right? Okay, yeah. Sheesh, that was tough. Young Jacob Zuma moment there. Jay-Z. Just the young Jacob Zuma with the dream. Chadadonia, baby. We just browse.
We're throwing some big numbers at you, Jen.
Sheesh. Just the young Jacob Zuma.
You know,
Alright.
hey, this is a number we can never do with our eyes.
No,
I would never be able to see that.
Finished. Not even
You know, I feel like I'm watching like programming. Like these just massive numbers.
Oh,
loading.
Chad, Craig Becker in the house, baby. Craig, you are the winner, my brother.
Hey.
A young 50k account
What
for
was
my
the number?
boy. Oh shit, I can't see before. After it's done. Craig, what are we doing, my brother? Heads or tails? Tails, okay.
Tails.
Kicks,
Ooh.
this one is for you, my bruh.
Oh.
3, 2, 1. Wee!
Oh.
Craig Becker gets it. I think he's won already.
So the big question, Craig.
Double up.
Oh,
No, wait.
Oh.
Wait.
We one short of the 100k.
Craig,
He
we're
says
gonna.
double it up.
No, but let's. I'm gonna throw in a lifeline here for the chat.
Oh, so big. Yep.
Vince Cornelius. Vince, baby.
Ooh.
Okay, what are we anyways doing to double up? Craig Becker.
Craig doubling up
A
the
50G,
50K accounts.
baby. Okay, Craig, what are we doing? Heads or tails? Chad, is another 100k up for grabs, eh? It's not just one. Craig, chat to me. And subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, Chad. Support the channel. We support you guys. What is Craig calling for this double up? Heads or tails?
Does he have to roll it for the double up?
No, he wants to double up. He doesn't want to take the 50.
Oh, are we gonna
Yeah.
roll for the double? Okay, okay.
So it's a young tails there from our boy Craig. Keeks. It's going tails again, Keeks.
Tails.
Honor is yours, my brother. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Craig, my brother.
Oof.
So sorry. But Chad, now we're up to 100k.
100k funded account, ladies and gents.
And I'm gonna go for this range. 77,000 to 77,270. and we are live, baby. Let's go, let's go. I'm actually losing my voice here on the stream today, but it is a vibe, baby. Come on, let's hit that subscribe button while you're at it. Yeah, you have to be subscribed as well, Chad. NASP is building systems here. We're going to see who's not subscribed, just wanting to eat the seed here off the table. Ah, young Dylan Hansen, baby.
Oh,
Dylan Hansen, you
OG
beauty.
of the channel.
Dylan. Oh, Dylan.
100k funded account.
Young Dill.
So you got the first step down.
Now the second,
Now for
my
the second
brother.
one.
Dylan, what are you choosing, my brother? Heads or tails? Heads or tails? Tails. All right, I'm taking this one, brother. No. Wait. I'm giving this one to Keeks. A young tails there. Keeks. 3, 2, 1. Let's roll it, baby. Way. Oh, yeah. Dylan Hansen, baby.
And just like that, ladies and gents, there's 100k account.
Dylan
Being
Hansen.
claimed.
And we're up for another one. Keeks, how can we make the next one interesting?
Oh shit.
Dylan Hansen with the young 100k. $100,000. Now on to the next one, baby. Keeks, how can we make this next 100k a little bit more interesting? We gotta
make this one fun.
Yeah, think a little bit. Chad, give us some ideas. How can we make this one? Want to make this one special, Chad? This one needs to be special.
Yo, let's think.
There needs to be.
Spin a wheel with all the subs on. Yes. Okay.
How do I do that?
I have no clue.
Yo, Chad, you're asking a lot here.
Buller the bot should also audit who subscribed and liked.
I don't know, Vince. At this stage, we
Guess
just
a pair.
Chad. Okay, I think. No, I like the structure we've got here, the coin flip. I'm just thinking about how we can mix it up a little bit. Can I make it subscriber only? I don't know how though. Let me just check here.
Well, guess Keegan's middle name. Wait, hold on. But maybe I'm not someone like I hide my middle name. So if you know me personally, you'd probably know what my middle name is. But hold on. They could guess your middle name.
Ooh. Okay, keyword.
Oh.
Keyword, baby.
Could have been out. Oh yeah, we can still set that on my part.
Yeah. Oh. Alright, Chad, keyword. No man, that's cuff. That's cuff. No.
Selecting members only makes it only subscribers. Oh, okay.
No, Dorito members. No, it's not. Geeks, why don't we?
We need to think. Yeah, we want to make this
Or do we stick with the structure we had? I think the structure we had is pretty dope. David Zander.
Hold on. I have an idea. So, I think we're going to do something. But we're not going to tell you. Because you guys can go do it. But we're going to stick to the normal program. And then something's going to happen. So, if you can get the number. If you can get the coin flip. Then we're going to go check something. And if that all ticks off, you get the account. So, hold on, Chris.
Go ahead, let me mute your chat. All right, Chad. Okay.
We got a plan.
We've got a plan of action. So we're going to go same structure. But if you get to the 100K and you don't win it, and don't worry, those 20K, those 25K accounts are still coming. But if you get to the 100K now and you don't win it, we're going to rapid fire 10 5K accounts with random selections. So Nightbot's got this random selection one. So is there a random selection? Random active user giveaway. Yes. Okay. So that's the way we're gonna do it, Chad. Hope you guys are ready. Keeks, give me a range there, brother. Fresh.
We'll start it. Oh, we actually only got one shot here though for the 100. So let's make this one interesting.
No. We're doing the full Monty.
What do you mean?
No, we're gonna roll again. 5.
Oh, all the way up again.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Then let's go. Let's go 400 to 500 for the first one.
All right, Chad, we are live, baby. 400 to 500. Let's go, baby.
Guys, this is a tight range. I was battling with a number here. Nightbot even on?
Yeah, yeah. Yo, Chad, what's happening there? Wait, I think, sorry, Chad, rolling it again. I think Nightbot was chalked. Let's go.
I was gonna say, I think something's wrong there.
I think we refreshed the Nightbot.
Yo. I swear at this point they've typed every number in that range.
Wait, let's Chad. Keeks giving you range.
Yeah.
I think that range is chalked. Chad, wait. It's not giving us a winner. 700 to 800 Keeks, what do you rate?
Funny enough, I literally was about to say that.
Alright, great minds. Okay, 700 to 800 Chad. Giveaway is live.
Let's just see, because I don't know what
700 to 800. One brother there is still, I think he's on the old part of the stream, putting in 49,000. He's still living in the past.
Yo.
No, man.
I think this thing's chalked.
You think Nightbot is chalked, yeah?
Nightbot's gone to sleep. Oh, you should be able before, and you can see what the winner number is now. Yeah, I think this thing's dead, eh?
Chad, wait.
Wait, all you guys.
Wait, Chad.
Nightbots, I don't know what it's doing now. Yo, you
go. Okay, Chad, wait. Nightbot, I think, is chalked. Give me 1 second, yeah. Let me just reload Nightbot here. Nightbot clocked out here. Okay, refreshed it. And let's go 900 to 1,000. Let's just do a quick little test here, and it's going 900 to 1,000. Fingers. Okay, that's working. SRC, baby. You are the winner. SRC. Beautiful, beautiful. SRC. Okay, SRC. Heads or tails, baby. SRC won the Smart Roger Concepts. You have to be smart. Tails. Okay, beautiful. Tails, baby. 3, 2, 1. Tails it is. Question is, SRC, are you taking the 5k or are you doubling it up? Keeks and Chris look so much more. Yeah, dude. Nightbot. SRC 5K, or are you gonna double up? SRC, baby, let's double this thing. Double B. Chad. Okay, double. Heads or tails? Blow the horn. Okay, a young tails again. 3, 2, 1. Oh, SRC. Now it's on a 10K. The question now is, do you want to double it up to a 25K? SRC. SRC, what are you doing? You can double again. You can literally double till 100. So you're sitting on a young 10K. Double again. Oh my goodness. SRC, baby.
Do you get it working?
Yeah. SRC. Okay. Heads or tails for this one. SRC he's going for a grand slam here. Absolute beast. Heads. Okay, I'm going to give this one to Keeks. Keeks is going for the 25K. 3, 2, 1. Oh, SRC. Sorry, brother. But you know what? Just for being a good sport, we still going to give you a 5K. Let me just know, do you know the process? Do you know the process? Please let me know before we continue here. So, on to 25K, Chad. We anyways going to give SRC a 5. SRC, please. I think you should know because I've seen you in the chat. I do. Okay, beautiful. Alrighty, Chad. 25K up next. Keys, give me a range, baby.
Alright.
Let's bring it back.
What was the previous range now?
900 to 1,000.
Okay. Let's go 200 to 400.
200 to 400, baby. And we are live, Chad. Let's get it. 200 to 400. Oh, Chad. A young 25K account up for grabs here. Still waiting for price to give us something here. Montague Pulsar, baby. Montague, you ledge. Montague with that good teeth, brother. You must obviously come from a well-established family with teeth that's straight and white. But we love you, baby. Montague Pulsar. Just the absolute magazine smile there. Out of a Colgate advert. Montague, what are you doing, brother? Heads or tails? Where's Montague?
See what happens there.
Heads. Oh, baby. Heads. 3, 2, 1, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Montague. Big question now, my brother. Do you take the 25K or you double it up? Dude, with a smile like that, you've got things going for you, my brother.
Guys,
double up this thing.
We're getting a little call there from G himself, EJ and GJ. Are you wanting to go long on them, G?
Montague. I know he's going to go for a young double. With a smile like that, brother, you don't mess around. Montague not going to mess around. Let's give him a... Chad, let's not rush the brother. Let's give him some... Brother, what are we doing here? Are we doing a young double up here? I am good. He's good for a double up, Chad.
Hey.
I am good. No, sorry. No, I am fine. He's fine, Chad. I don't know what you're saying, Montague. You're giving me mixed signals here, brother. What are we doing? Are you taking the account? Oh! Okay. 25k, get it up.
Awesome.
Okay, Montague, Chad, Montague, Paulson. Okay, Keeks, what do you think? Just to fill up the numbers here, 325k is just straight off the bat, but still a coin flip.
Okay.
325k is Chad, just to fill up that 100k number. We're gonna do 325. That man got nervous. Like, no, I didn't say flip. I'm good. No, I'm fine. Montague, Ledge, my brother. Hope you are. Try random picker. Okay, let's try the random picker here.
Yeah, also just going back to quickly, guys. So, yeah, EJ for myself, I do see the thing that are very correlated. I always say EJ and GJ. EJ, I'd just say GJ is probably the better one for me. Personally, just because of the zones, you basically hold in that weekly resistance. So if you hold on that, definitely can be a continuation to the top side. Where EJ for myself personally, it's just you've basically had that little bit of a pull. But as well, it's still a bit of no man's land. You're basically just testing that EMA. But yeah, for me, GJ would be the better one. Also, the fact that the news, I actually think, came out stronger for pound, if I'm correct.
Weaker. On two counts, it was good, but the Feb manufacturing actually mixed. It's relatively mixed.
So yeah, I could definitely get the pullback. I mean, end of the day, like we were saying, it's Thursday. I'm very bullish on the pairs, so I don't see them like turning around to go literally flip the weekly candle type of vibe now. So yeah, definitely could still have a continuation.
Is G also looking long?
He wants to go long on EJ or G.
G with another dono, baby. I'm on Vault Fund already. How do I add this account to my dashboard? Montague, send me, follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description of this video. And send me a screenshot of your YouTube profile. Send me your email address and we're going to get that account to you as soon as we can, brother. Chat 325k, $25,000 giveaways now up for grabs. We're going to do the active user. You have to be active in the last 5 minutes and we are live, baby. And it's AB the trader. AB, young AB.
Didn't AB win the other day as well?
I don't know, but AB, you are the first
so that's
winner.
One of the 25s.
No, but remember, it's still a coin flip. Sorry,
you still got a coin flip as well.
Chad. Okay. Sorry, AB the trader, heads or tails, brother. Let's go. We want to flip that coin. AB trader. Young AB. Some people call him Abe.
Has he given a call yet?
No. AB, young.
Flip it.
AB.
Flip the coin, then say it's me.
What did I win? A $25,000 funded account, brother.
But
Not yet.
You gotta flip it and claim it.
You gotta flip, my brother. You gotta give me something to work with here.
What's the call?
Young Abe. Just a man with a dream. With that hustle, with that dog in him. Who's gonna carry the boats and the logs? They don't know me, son. AB. They don't know me, son. No, you can't take it, AB. You gotta flip. You gotta flip, my bro.
Win the flip, you can take it.
You can't take anything yet. AB, you can't just take stuff. You gotta work for it, son.
Yeah, I think that's not Curly. Curly changed into Curly Trades or something.
Yeah, it's AB. This is another AB.
Yeah.
AB, baby. Heads. Woi. Alrighty. Keeks.
Alrighty.
3, 2, 1. AB. AB. Sorry, my brother. AB.
Lucky.
Alright, Chad, we're going with the random giveaway. Genya Nightbot. And it is going.
We're going to choose
3, 2, 1. Shendi Susantyo.
Yo.
I almost sound a little bit Japanese there. Shendi Susantyo. You are the winner, my brother.
Do you think that's a male or female?
Bro, I'm very bad with those calls.
You can't call
I'm low key bad with those calls. Like, don't let me call it. Shandy, I hope Shandy's still in the house. Shandy, this is your one, baby. Heads or tails? Shandy.
Shandy.
Ah, Shandy, baby. Shandy, Susanjo. Give me a platter of that Susanjo, Shandy. I hope, Chad, if Shandy's not going to respond in the next couple of seconds.
Our slow mode isn't on, eh?
No.
Yeah, okay.
Shandy.
Come on, Shandy.
It's not a she. It's maybe a them or a they.
There's Shandy. Tails.
Way, Shandy, baby. Okay, Shandy, a young tails kicks. Are you ready?
Okay.
Count me down there, brother.
3, 2, 1.
Way, oh, Shandy.
Yo. Guys, what's going on here?
Tough, Shandy.
What is going on here?
We still love you, Shandy. Just let us know, male or female, them, they, we. 3, 2, 1.
Who's
Killy.
next?
Killy, Pieterman. Let's go, baby. Heads or tails, Killy. Killy, my
You know,
Millie.
the funny thing is, I can just picture these guys with this
Killy.
random bot thing. They sitting there like listening, and next minute, oh, you the winner. They spill in the coffee. They
Yeah,
yes,
it's like,
oh
poop.
shit.
Killy, Pieterman. Heads or tails, my brother.
Who's
Killy. Killy, my Millie. Killy. Satan, silly. Heads. Right, kicks. This one is yours, baby.
What?
3, 2, 1. Oi, aye, Killy.
Sure. Wait, what did you say?
Chad, he said heads.
Oh.
Killy, my Millie.
Yeah, guys, we've got 3 more of these to do. No one can claim
Yeah,
them.
okay.
You guys
3,
just don't want it.
Chad, 3, 2, 1. S&R, baby, with those donos. S&R, baby. Come
S&R,
on.
get it.
S&R, Chad.
See, guys,
yeah.
that's what we talk about planting the seed.
S&R planting some deep seeds, yeah. I
Come
think he's
on.
going to get it. S&R.
Come on.
Come on, baby.
It's going to come back for it.
S&R. Just dropping big donos there.
Come on.
Heads or tails, S&R, baby. Let's go, Chad.
Tails.
Did he call it tails? Okay, Kicks, this is your one. Call a young tails there. 3, 2, 1. Shit! Yay!
There you go, guys. There, you've seen it.
You see
Planting
it, Chad.
the seed and you will
This
receive.
is... Chad, we can't make this stuff up. Ah, Garen Rule with another young dono.
Oh.
Ah, Chad Horn. Okay. S&R, brother. You know the drill.
Oof, what song is this?
You know it. It's
This is
me-
still mute.
Yeah, brother.
I haven't heard this one.
Chad, we've got 2 more to go, baby. I'm actually sweating here. But I just sweat anyway. It can be like 2 degrees. I'm still gonna sweat. But Chad, 2 more left, baby. Let's get Nightbot here. 3, 2, 1, baby. Lebogang.
Oh.
Lebogang.
Lebo.
Looking like a young Juice WRLD. Maybe just a younger version of Juice WRLD. Lebogang, baby.
What's it gonna be, Lebo?
Let's go, baby. Lebogang.
Lebo's ready in the chat with the peaches. Tails. This
A
one's
young
you.
tails there for Lebogang, baby. Let's go.
Bring it home, Chris. Bring it home.
All right, Keeks. Is this my one or your one?
This is your
This
one,
my
brother.
one. What did he call?
Tails.
All right, 3, 2, 1, baby. Ah, Lebogang.
Oh.
Lace of the juice, more of the world, baby. Sorry, brother. Still love you, man. 3, 2, 1, baby. Franco
Come
Munich. Franco Munich, baby.
Oof.
Come on, Franco. What are you doing, brother?
I swear
Heads or
that sounds like a
tails?
DJ's name. I'm sure
Franco
there's some
Munich.
DJ that has that name.
Some people call me Munich. Some people call me Franco. Just call me 25 G's, baby. Where's Franco?
Come on, Franco.
Franco with the young tails. This one is yours, Keeks. Franco going with the young tails. 3, 2, 1, brother. Give it to me. Young tails. Oh, Franco. Franco. It's tough out here, brother.
We got
Keep
two
your head
left,
up.
guys.
Keep that chin up, Franco. Keep that chin up. Keep it
Two
moving.
left. Who's going to claim them?
3, 2, 1. TJ Riffle. Just with a young VW there in the back end. TJ Riffle, baby. Let's go. Heads or tails,
Oh,
TJ. Let's secure the bag. TJ Riffle, where are you, baby?
Is TJ Riffle going to turn into TJ Rizzle? Let's see.
Ah, Clarissa Fisher. Woo. Just a young donor there, baby. All right. Where's TJ Riffle?
TJ, where you, brother?
TJ Riffle.
Where's TJ?
TJ, baby. Come on, where's TJ? TJ, what did TJ say?
TJ, you still in the house, brother?
Heads. Is this my one or your one? My one.
Your one.
All right,
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Hey!
TJ Riffle, baby, securing that bag. $25,000,
There
almost
we
500K. TJ, do you know the process? I want to be very sad if you don't know. I've seen you here in the chat. You've been here. TJ, let me know. We've got one more left.
One left, guys. One left.
TJ, you know the process, baby.
The last one, do we want to do it our old school way?
A young double up.
We can do a double up, but I'm saying the number, everything. Get the
Numbers,
guys
baby.
really engaged. Just for the last one.
Ah, baby. A young number here. Keeks, give me
S and R.
another donor.
I forgot how the process works.
SNR, baby. Okay. Process is simple. Register account on vaultfunder.trade. www.vaultfunder.trade. While we're actually going here, big shout out to our sponsors of the channel, Vault Markets and Vault Funder. They're keeping the lights on here. We're keeping the energy here, but they're keeping the lights on. Go to login, go register account. Send me a screenshot of your YouTube profile, SNR, and send me the email address you used to create account. So just create one here, and we are ready. Chad, Keeks,
Chris, hold on. Just mute it quickly.
the meeting. All right, Chad. Now, number Keeks, number range.
All right. Let's get it, guys. Let's go. 1,000
Yeah.
to 1,500.
Oh my goodness, baby.
We're gonna
We
get
are
you a
live,
big one. You
Chad.
guys
We
are
are
gonna type
live.
here.
We are live, Chad. We are live.
There's 500 choices.
Sondre, your hair. Sondre, baby. Sondre got it.
I actually thought that was going to take a bit longer.
Yeah, Sondre. Okay, Sondre. Heads or tails, baby. Sondre.
Yeah, and Sondre claimed the last account.
Sondre, is this last account yours?
Even Mute giving you an applause there.
Yeah, even Mute, baby. Couldn't even script that better. Sondre.
Heads.
Is that a young heads?
I say heads.
Let me just... Wait. No, that's not the song for this chat.